Okay. 3, 2.
Good morning. I am Mayor Mike Wellner, and I have our county nurse Patty Krug with me once again. I want to start by thanking everyone who helped on Tuesday to make our election as safe and efficient as possible. That includes John Fales, our city coordinator, our department heads, our electric utility, public works employees, and our city police department. They did a great job. Also to all our poll workers who put in a 13-hour or longer day so our residents could vote and hopefully be safe. And finally, to Virginia Brost and Ashley Lemke, who had the job of coordinating the whole election from start to finish. I thank each and every one of you. With that, I'm going to turn it over to Patty Krug to give you the latest updates that we have. Patty?
Thank you. I am here to provide you an update of items that have been required and also recommendations that have come to view in the last 2 weeks. Number one is, as of 10/10, we still have no positive cases in Taylor County. We have negative cases. And what I want to tell people is, even though we have negative cases, we have people who are still being tested on a daily basis and have been placed in isolation. Even if those individuals have a negative test, we are still required to monitor those individuals for set guidelines of when they can be released from isolation, and that includes also their family members. So again, even though we have 0 cases, we still continue to monitor those individuals who are symptomatic and cannot be released from isolation. The other factor that we have been asked a lot of questions about are in reference to if people go to other places, other communities. We've had people who have been tested in Madison, Rusk County, Eau Claire County. It does not matter where they get tested. If they are a Taylor County resident, those results come back to us. Sometimes we have those results are coming in and we have not even known that those people have been tested until we get the results back into our office. We still do call those individuals, and they have to remain in isolation if they continue to be symptomatic. We've been very fortunate. Aspirus Medford calls us immediately if somebody is being tested so that we can discuss isolation with those individuals that are tested along with their family members. So again, even though we have 0 cases, we still have people who are symptomatic that are being tested on a daily basis. Cloth mask. This week CDC recommended cloth mask. Cloth mask is only used to slow the spread of COVID-19. It does not protect you from COVID-19 with a cloth mask. Again, 6 feet social distancing is your best protective factor that you can use. Elections. I would like to congratulate Andrea Farrar, our county clerk, along with all of the town clerks, those poll workers, the National Guard, who assisted Taylor County with the elections. They did due diligence to allow us to have our right to vote, protect the health of the community, protect the health of the poll workers. So again, congratulations to everybody who participated in the election for our right to vote, and in addition, protecting the health of the workers and our community. Some other factors, garage sales. People are concerned about garage sales. Until the executive order from the governor is lifted, it is right now April 24th. It could be extended. We do not know that at this time. There is to be no organized garage sales in community buildings or at your households. Golf courses. No golf courses are allowed to be open or their clubhouses. No one on the greens, nobody golfing at all. Greenhouses, we are sending out recommendations. Greenhouses, again, 6 feet social distancing, whether it's inside or outside. If it is an inside greenhouse, again, max 10 people should be allowed into those greenhouses. Those recommendations are being sent out. Farmers markets, those individuals that are involved with the farmers markets have or will have those recommendations sent out to them related to the governor's orders. Restaurants, again, we appreciate everybody who's supporting our local restaurants. For pickup, I want to remind everybody there is no alcohol or other beverages that should be opened while you are waiting for your food. It is only for pickup. Church services, we did provide a release yesterday related to church services. It's a difficult time right now. This is a special religious holiday for individuals. We understand the need for spiritual health being together at this time. But again, we stand by our press release yesterday. It does not matter if you are in your car. The orders have come down that we will not allow drive-in or services in a parking lot. We stand by our press release yesterday. It is a difficult time, we understand that. But our local radio station is providing the avenue for your church to send a spiritual message or to host a church service. Also, social media is being used, and we appreciate all of our religious leaders who are abiding by our request. Please remember outdoor activities. If you are outdoors, no more than 10 people in a group, and you must social distance. Today, Governor Evers has ordered some of the state parks to be closed. I can tell you that some of the county parks have been closed, but not Taylor County. We want you, in order for us not to have to close any of our county parks, our city parks, to abide by the rules. No more than 10 people, social distance. Please, I beg of you, do not put us into that position. Follow the orders of social distancing and no more than 10 in a group. This weekend, many of us spend time with our family and friends because of the holiday. Again, if you are going to have people into your home, we recommend that you social distance. It is a difficult time, but I want to remind you that COVID-19 does not discriminate who it infects. It does not matter, it does not care what your age is, your ethnicity, your race, your health issues. It does not care who you are or what you are doing. The only way you can prevent COVID-19 is by social distancing. And again, remember to keep your groups less than 10. I appreciate everything this community has done. We are very fortunate that we have 0 cases, but please remember, that does not mean that we do not have people who are continuing to be tested. So again, I appreciate all of our efforts. Let's continue to cover our cough and sneeze. Let's remember to wash our hands. Let's remember to social distance, because we all are all part of protecting the health of our community. And let's keep it that way. So again, I appreciate all of your efforts. Thank you.
Thank you, Patty. And again, for our residents, please stay safe, stay healthy, and remember, we are stronger together. Thank you.